National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Beaufort County in southeastern South Carolina, Colleton County in southeastern South Carolina, Hampton County in southeastern South Carolina, Jasper County in southeastern South Carolina, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line from Over Island into near Coosawhatchie, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beaufort, Port Royal, Walterboro, Ridgeland, Yamasee, Clarendon, Whitehall, Hendersonville, Gardens Corner, and Sheldon. This includes Interstate 95 in South Carolina between mile markers 22 and 62. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing damaging winds.